Hello guys, I'm Coach Anna. Today I'm excited to show you how to do warm-up in motion and in a spot. Whether you're getting ready for a dance class or just looking to improve your flexibility and strength, this warm-up routine will help you to get most out of your workout. Let's begin!
Open your shoulders, chin up, keep your posture straight. Good job. Good job, Veronica. Make circles with your right arm back. Good. And with your left arm back. Very good. Cross forward and back. Good job. Knees up. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pointed toes. 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Feet are going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest to the right. 2, 3, 4. Push yourself up. 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Your back is going front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Normal run. Good. Okay, good. Let's walk and breathe. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lunge and cross. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Straight back leg. 6. Straight back leg. Good. One more. 1, and 2, and 3, and releve up. Elbows going forward, and elbows going back. Round squat. Round squat. Your nose is going forward, closer to your belly button. Walking releve up, heels up, and go down in a squat and walk with a straight back. Good job. Both arms on your knees. And let's make small hops up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Straight arms. 4. Straight back and arms and jump as high as you can. 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. And let's walk and breathe in your waves. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Inside of a circle. 7. Wave. Go back 2. Releve high up and outside the circle. 5, 6, 7. One more time. Go 1 and 2. Releve up high. 3, 4. Front and back. And go backwards. 2, 3 and 4. Outside the circle. 5 and 6, 7. Wave 8. Good job. Let's go on the center. Side, arms up. Arms side, arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Turn to the right. And 1 and 2 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn front. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Turn on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6, 7. Scissors. 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn to your right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish releve. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's make chasse plie. Chasse plie. Touch the floor with the opposite arm. We are doing 8 times slowly and 8 times very fast. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve. Hold releve. Breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and legs apart. And let's stretch your neck and moving your head forward, back, side, side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoulders down. 1, shoulders press down. 4, 5, 6, 7. Circles. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Other side, 5, and 6. Shoulders press down, 7, and good job, 8. Stretch your neck with one arm. Opposite arm is stretching down. Good job. Switch arms and switch side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good job. Move your shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 5, 6, 7. Straight arms back. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Front. 5, 6. Front. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stretch arm. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Other side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Arms to the sides. Ready? And go to the side. Bend to the side. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Show me your straight arms every time. Chin up. Open your chest, open your shoulders. 1, again 2, 3, lower. 4, 5, 6, 7 with a turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both arms up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Go other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Open your arms. Stretch forward. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Arms together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Helicopter. 5, 6, 7, 8. More. 1, and 2, 3, 4. One arm on the floor. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist your arms and change your arms. 6, 7, and 8. Hold your elbows. Go down. 1, 2. Straight legs, straight knees. Good job. 6, 7, and 8. Go between your legs. Front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Plie. Go plie. And release and rise your arm up. Stretch. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Go down and plie and up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Good job. Both legs and arms together. Go down. Grab your ankles and stretch in a pike. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And place your arms on the floor. Make a squat and rise up and down. Go 1 and 2, down 3, 4, 5, and 6. No rush. Just slowly go up. 2, down 3, 2 and 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and hold. And let's make releve. Go up and down. Ankles together. Heels together. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, and rise. Lunge back and switch your legs. Arms are going forward. 1 and 2. Good job. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Few more. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Keep your knee above the floor. Good job. Arms in first position. We're doing the same with a twist torso to the opposite side. Good. Hold your arms in first position. Keep your elbows up. Good. Fingers together. Okay, good job. Go to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. 5 and 6. Keep your back straight. Keep your knees. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Good. Let's make second position. Arms behind your head. Let's make plie and tilt to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good job. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Arms to the sides. Make bounces down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Rise up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Last time. 5, 6, 7. The same with a jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2. Arms going down. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump with a beat. Connect legs in the ear. Go 1, 2, 3. Arms together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, up. Last time. Up and relax a little bit. Shake your legs, relax your legs. Good. Lift your knee, cross it, and make tilt to the side. Again, up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Last time, up and down. Switch your legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's make first position. Let's do small part of run in first position. Let's raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your arms and go down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reach up. Good job. When you're going up, when you're going down, you're reaching up. 7, 8. Let's make bend to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your heels on the floor. Open your knees to the sides. Make clear as deep as possible. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Few more. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Let's make releve in sixth position. Go up 8 times. 7, 8. 1, 2. Extend up. 4, 5. Keep your heels together and ankles switch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8. Press on your toes and stretch your foot. 2, 3, and 4. Reach up. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Turn 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Other foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make clear releve. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoulders press down. 1, 2. Reach up. 5, 6. Opposite. Releve clear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press on your toes more. And 5 and 6, 7, 8, and finish.
In my next video, I'm going to show you warm-up routine on the floor and stretching routine. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time! Hey everyone! I'm creating content for you and your opinion really matters to me. Do you like the format and style of my videos? I would really appreciate your feedback. Leave your comments, it would really help me a lot.